Hello, the second grade students. I hope that you are all doing good. Today's lesson is from Unit 3 and it's about adjectives and antonyms. So today we are going to learn what are adjectives and what are antonyms. So let's start. Take a look at these two objects over here. Can you tell me what are they? Do you have any idea what are they? Well, these are bicycles. These are bicycles. So this one is a bicycle and this one is a bicycle too. Now tell me, do they look alike? Is this bicycle as the same as this one? Of course not. They are not the same. They are different. They are different. Okay, but what's the difference? Let's move on. Take a look over here. Do you know what are these? These are phones. These are phones. But do they look alike? Are they the same or different? Is this phone as the same as this one over here? Of course not. They are different. They are different. Now we come to the question, what's the difference? What's the difference between these objects and these ones over here? Now I will tell you. This phone and this bicycle are old. They are old, which means they were used a long time ago. Your grandparents used them. Your grandparents used them. But these one over here, are they used by you or your grandparents? Of course they are used by you. So they are new. This bicycle and this phone are new, which means that we use them nowadays. We use them today. But these ones were used centuries ago. So old and new are adjectives. Old and new are adjectives. They are used to describe the state of an object. So they are adjectives. Why adjectives? Because they describe the state of an object. For example, old refers to something that has been used from a long time ago. And as I told you, it's something that has been used by your grandparents. But new refers to something that had never been used before, something that is really new, or something that is used nowadays. We use it today, which means it's modern. Now, let me ask you this question. What is an adjective? We said old and new are adjectives. But what is an adjective? Well, an adjective is a word that describes the state of an object. It can describe the color of the object. So I can say, this bicycle is blue. So blue is the adjective. Or I can say, my phone is black. How does my phone look like? My phone is black. So black is the adjective. Yellow, green, red. So when you use one of these colors to describe an object, these are adjectives. So here, these are adjectives because we use them to describe an object. And we can not only use adjectives to tell about colors. You can also use adjective to tell about a size. And I can tell you about something that is small, big, long, short, or huge. Huge means very big. So here I am telling you about the size. And these words are also adjectives because when I use one of them, it means that I am describing how something looks like. And we can also use adjectives to tell about the condition of an object. So I can tell you good. For example, this ice cream is so good. It tastes good. So here I am telling you about the condition of the ice cream. Bad, for example, when you say about something that is bad, it means that you don't like it and it doesn't work appropriately, for example. So here, bad is an adjective. And then we have old, new, as we already. So old and new, they describe the condition of an object, so they are adjectives. And here we have easy and hard. So all of these are adjectives that we use to describe an object. So take a look at these two cars, this car and this one over here. Are they the same or different? Okay, they are different, but which one is old and which one is new? This one, is it old or new? Well, it's old, so this one is new. This car, as you see over here, has been used for a long time ago or from a long time ago, but this one is new, which means it was recently used and it's still clean and looks good. So here, old and new do not have the same meaning. They have an opposite meaning. So we call them antonyms. Old is the antonym of the word new, which means they don't have the same meaning. So what does antonym mean? Antonyms are two words that have an opposite meaning, as I said before. For example, small is the antonym of the word big. Beautiful is the antonym of the word ugly. And here we have cold and hot. Cold and hot are antonyms. Cold and hot are antonyms. Just like fast and slow. Fast is the antonym of the word slow. That was the lesson of today, everyone. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.